Okay, so we put a little bit of oil inside here and a little bit on top of the piston, and now we're ready to take our E and make sure it's at the top of the piston. So here we go. So we want to position this centered, and we want to push the piston in there, and we want to give it a little bit more compression. And this is a very gentle process, but also requires some force to seat the piston properly. And there we are. We have our piston in place. I'm just going to rotate it just a little bit, and then I'm going to push it down just to, yep, that feels good. I'm going to rotate it back up.